up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold the Diamondback A. It's going to be a part 1, part 2 video, so this is part 1. So yeah, it has retractable landing gear, afterburners, which you did make on this model, and let's get started. So I use 8.5 by 11, but you should use Kami. I don't have Kami anymore. I did have Kami for this model, and let's get started. Start off with the preliminary base. Like that. Yep, like that. So fold the diagonals and squash it. And now the crease is pre-creased, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna do this very fast because I don't have much time. Part 2 will be coming out another day. And now fold that up. Or no, fold this up. Sorry, I drew on there. Fold this up again, and I made my next video will be Diamondback A part 2, but I might also want to teach Torcel's PPSH4, his latest video. And yeah, you squash folded those in and swivel fold. So yeah, take this edge to that edge, kind of pushing down this to have that long triangle. Again, on this side, swivel fold. Take these down, and you'll recognize this tab that you can open, and just push those in there. And then fold this side to the center crease, and unfold that, and take this side to the center, fold that over again. So yeah, open this and just push with your finger in so this lands on the center crease. That. Part 2, it's not pretty complex, but it's kind of complex. So, but it's not too bad. And yeah, and then you're going to petal fold this up. Now comes the first tricky part. Unfold the entire petal fold, and fold this flap down and push in on this place. After you push in on there, you should have this triangle, lay it flat, and have this tab. Don't worry about the tab, we're gonna do that step later. How to have this better is now comes the complex part. Unfold this into this orientation, but leave just your 2 swivel folds there. And then fold this to the center. And like kind of petal fold while you have this to the center. Sorry for your time. Do the same with this side. And yeah, squash fold this too. And that is, no, I'm still gonna do more. Almost part 1 is done. And then fold this out. Fold that out too. Yeah, fold these tabs out, which is gonna form our engines. And you will want to do one more thing. Then part 2 is gonna come pretty much the end now for part 1. Petal fold this up, and now we're gonna form our wings, which I'll explain the best I can. But just I need to finish my petal fold. Fold this down. You don't need to do this. Fold this to the center. This to the center too. Fold that out till this point. Let me just show you. This out till this point. Remember, you don't have to be super good at origami, but you still need to be a pretty good person. And we are almost done with part 1. Then you're going to want to unfold. Then you're not going to want to unfold this, but unfold that. And you're going to want to tuck, like inside reverse fold this out till the edge of the wing. Do the same with this side, just inside reverse, fold that out till the edge of the wing. And your want to perform swivel fold, kind of, again. So, I don't think you should perform swivel fold now. Then you're going to fold this out. And, yeah, and you're going to kind of want to swivel fold these. Well, yeah, I'll explain the swivel fold in part 2. So, hope you enjoyed part 1. I know that was pretty fast. Only like 5 minutes. And hope I'll join you in part 2 like in a few hours or something. Because I want to take a break. So I'll join you in part 2. Bye.